We all know the supply chain is the lifeblood of the global economy. When it's working well and firing on all cylinders, it's a thing of beauty, almost like a work of art. Right on time, products fill store shelves, arrive at consumers' front doors, and reach assembly lines on factory floors. Then the pandemic arrived, further exposing the overall supply chain's vulnerabilities, such as equipment shortages, long waits, and extended truck and train turn times. Demand cratered, only to explode a few months later. Propelled by stimulus, changing consumer behavior, and pent-up needs, the supply chain buckled and is still trying to regain its tempo. Nevertheless, these issues have created an opportunity to review the entire supply chain system and develop comprehensive solutions to current and future congestion problems.
We are reaching out to all of you to identify possible policy ideas that will help us reach realistic and effective statewide and regional transport, environmental, social, workforce, and economic goals. This is an exciting opportunity for decision makers to hear your suggestions and ideas as we form the framework for substantial, long-lasting changes to the California supply chain. Changes that will benefit all of our communities while advancing the needs of the transportation network and the exporters and importers of goods.
California's deep water ports, like all the supply chain, are essential to global trade, and we need them to be in sync for our economy to fully recover. Though the pandemic-related disruption to the supply chain happened quickly, solving it will take time, and the answers won't be easy. Positive adjustments to a changing world in a post-pandemic environment will take everyone's best efforts. As we work our way back, we can't lose sight that our air quality and quality of life, including access to quality employment opportunities, shouldn't be casualties of successful trade. After all, we live here. Key decision makers have a range of issues to consider when looking at short and long-term solutions, and we need your help. We have some questions for you. Thanks for watching and engaging.